In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your sheet content larger for readability or smaller to fit more columns on your screen, all without changing your data or layout. First, open your web browser and head to smartsheet.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that the way you normally would. Once you're in, you'll see your Smartsheet home area where your items are organized. Next, navigate to your workspace. You'll find your workspaces in the left-hand panel. Open the workspace that contains the sheet you want to work with. This simply takes you to the place where your team's sheets and assets are stored, so you're working in the right context. Now open your sheet, click the sheet you want to view and let it load in the main window. You'll likely see the grid view, with columns, rows, and any data you or your team have added. Before we adjust the zoom, move your cursor over the sheet area so the browser knows which content you're focusing on. To zoom in, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel up. If you're on a trackpad, hold Control and scroll up with 2 fingers. On Mac, use the Command key instead of Control. As you scroll, the page zoom level increases, making text, column headers, and cells larger and easier to read. This is especially helpful for long column names, detailed cell notes, or when you're presenting and want your audience to clearly see what's on screen. To zoom out, hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel down. Again, on a trackpad, hold Control and scroll down with 2 fingers, and on Mac, use Command. This reduces the page zoom so you can see more columns and rows at once. It's perfect when you need to compare fields side by side or get a broader overview of your sheet without constant horizontal scrolling. Just be mindful not to zoom out so far that the text becomes hard to read. Aim for a level that balances overview and comfort. A quick note for clarity. This action adjusts the browser's zoom for the Smartsheet tab you're viewing. That means every part of the page, including menus and toolbars, scales consistently, which keeps everything aligned while you work, and that's it. Open Smartsheet, go to your workspace, open your sheet, and use Control plus scroll up to zoom in, and Control plus scroll down to zoom out. With these simple gestures, you can tailor your view to match your task and keep your work clear and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Smartsheet.